Hi, I'm Lucy Contreras, Manager of Plant Collections here at Brookgreen Gardens, and this is the Virtual Plant Petting Zoo. Today we're at Heron, Grouse, and Loon outside the Leonard Pavilion and kind of settled on the edge of our arboretum, and we're looking at Pycnanthemum muticum, or blunt mountain mint. Now, despite its name, it is a native plant. It's not just found in the mountains. And we have it obviously right here in our native plant garden at Heron, Grouse, and Loon. I love this plant. When I first saw this and I saw the flowers, you might think I'm weird, but I thought of the flowers that you see on dogwoods. And that's probably because, like dogwoods, these have bracts, or these kind of modified leaves that are quite ornamental. They have a silvery color to them. It's really a very beautiful plant, a pollinator favorite. And given that the name has mint in it, you guessed it, it does have a minty smell to it. But even though it is in the mint family, Lamiaceae, it doesn't spread as aggressively as a true mint does, but it does tend to get a bit of a spread. But it is a wonderful native plant that I think everyone should have in their garden. But if you don't, come here and see it in ours.